students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain the assignment in polynomials and factorization. Coming to first question, the first question is f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and g of x is equal to x minus 2 is a factor theorem. G of x is a factor. First of all, write the given polynomial f of x. Given f of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. This is the first polynomial f of x, and take second polynomial c of x is equal to x minus 2. Here we take g of x equal to 0, that implies x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. To replace the value of x equal to 2, x is equal to 2 in the expression f of x. So take f of 2, that is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 2 plus 6. Just to simplify this, 2 cube is 8. Here 2 square is 2 into 2 4. 4 is a 16 plus 8. Here just simplify 8 plus 8 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So f of 2 is equal to 0. Then we conclude that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. F of x is nothing but this. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. This is first problem is completed. Coming to second problem, observe, show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 6x square minus 9x plus 54. Here we find the particular number is a factor of particular expression. So first of all, solution. So given, I take the main expression f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 9x plus 54, and take second polynomial x minus 3. I can take g of x. G of x is equal to x minus 3. First we find the zeros of x minus 3. We find the zeros of the x minus 3 to equate x minus 3 is equal to 0. To equate x minus 3 is equal to 0, that implies x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. To replace x is equal to 3 in f of x, we will get 0. To replace x is equal to 3 in f of x, we will get 0. Then we can conclude that x minus 3 is a factor of this. So we find f of, to replace 3, that is equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 54. We simplify this expression. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Here 3 square is 9, 9 into 6, 54 minus 27 plus 54. You observe here, plus 27 minus 27 cancel, plus 54 minus 54 cancel. Therefore, we get f of 3 is equal to 0. Then we conclude that x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Okay, students, observe. Okay, Namma. Coming to question number 3, if x square minus x minus 6 and x cube plus 3x minus 8, they are given two polynomials, quadratic polynomials, have a common factor x minus a. Have a common factor x minus a, then find the value of a. Okay, coming to solution. First of all, take two polynomials. First one is taken as f of x, second one is taken as g of x. First one is f of x equal to, given x square minus x minus 6, and second polynomial g of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 18. Plus 3x minus 18. Okay. and given the factor, common factor is x minus a. Put x minus a equal to 0, x is equal to a. Here to replace x is equal to a in f of x and g of x, equate these two. So just find f of a is equal to g of a. Because why? Because x is equal to a is a common factor. So x is equal to a satisfies f of x as well as g of x. Then we equate these two. To replace x is equal to a in this x a square minus a minus 6 equal to a square plus 3 into a minus 18. Okay. Here just cancel a square. Minus a minus 6 is equal to 3a minus 18. Just minus a transfer to right side, minus 18 left side. Minus 6 plus 18 is equal to 4a. Therefore 4a is equal to 18 minus 6, 12. Therefore a is equal to 12 by 4. The value is equal to 3. Okay, just observe here. Just observe one point here. The given x minus a is a common factor. Common factor means it satisfies both the equations. Okay, coming to next question. Question number 4. Determine which of the following polynomials. Has x plus 1 is a factor. So coming to solution, given factor x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. To replace minus 1 in above two polynomials, we will get 0. Then x plus 1 is a factor of above polynomials. We will check. First take first polynomial. F of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. First we will check f of x. To replace x is equal to minus 1. In given polynomial f of x. So we will get f of minus 1 equal to, so minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. Negative 1 whole cube is negative 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1. And minus of minus plus 1 plus 1. So here observe, plus 1 minus 1, these two get cancelled. Therefore f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Therefore we conclude x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Just see. Okay, just see, x plus 1 is a factor of f. We will check the next polynomial g of x. I can take second polynomial g of x equal to, the polynomial is x power 4 minus x cube, plus x square minus x, and plus 1. We will check x plus 1 is a factor of g of x also. We will check just. So to replace, what we replace, x is equal to minus 1. So g of minus 1 is equal to negative 1 whole power 4 minus negative 1 whole cube plus negative 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. Negative 1 minus 1 whole power 4, negative power even number always gives positive. So this is 1 power 4 is 1. Negative whole cube by minus 1, so minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here observe, minus of minus plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Therefore g of minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1, what we conclude, if g of minus 1 is 0, then we can conclude that x plus 1 is a factor of g of x also. But here Unfortunately, z of minus 1 is not equal to 0. Then we can conclude that x plus 1 is not a factor of z of x. X plus 1 is not a factor of z of x. Okay, sir. Coming to fifth problem, given if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2, both x minus 2 is a factor and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of this polynomial, so that we can show p is equal to r. First of all, I can take the polynomial taken as f of x. F of x is equal to, I can take the polynomial f of x is equal to px square plus 5x plus r, and take the remaining two linear polynomials. First of all, x minus 2, and given x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of f of x. Okay, then first of all, I take x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 2. X minus 2 is a factor, then x minus 2, x is equal to 2 satisfies this equation. Therefore, f of 2 equal to 0. To replace 0, p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r is equal to 0. Here 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. Take this is equation number 1. Just once I explain, this is f of x. Here x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of the given polynomial f of x. So, first of all, I take x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. I replace 2 in the above this polynomial, we will get 0. And coming to next, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1 by 2. To replace 1 by 2 in the above polynomial, so f of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. To replace 1 by 2 in this polynomial, so p into 1 by 2 whole square 5 into 1 by 2 plus r is equal to 0. To replace 1 by 2 in this polynomial f of x, p into x square, instead of x you replace 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into x raised to 1 by 2, and r is equal to 0. Here 1 by 4 is nothing but p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r is equal to 0. Take LCM, LCM is 4 here. 4 one time we will get p, 2 times 2 5 is 10, and 4r is equal to 0. Therefore, here denominator we will get 0. Therefore, p plus 10 plus 4r, p plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 0. Equation number 2. By solving the equations 1 and 2, we will get some condition. So, here observe, I will solve 1 minus 2. I will solve this equation like this, 1 minus 2. So, 1 is here 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to 0, and second equation p plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 0. Here we are using subtraction. In subtraction, second equation signs will be changed. It will be changed to plus, will be changed to minus, minus, minus. These two get cancelled. 4p minus p is 3p, and minus 4r plus r. Minus 4r plus r gives minus 3r is equal to 0. So 3p is equal to 3r. We will get 3. So p is equal to r. So we can show that these two are the factors of. Then we show that p is equal to r. This is we conclude that. Okay. Thank you very much.